Hi guys, welcome back to WeremouseWorkshop. We're going to do a test fire of the furnace. Just do a quick look. So I did a brief test just to see if everything was working, nothing leaking. I'm going to do a quick vid just on lighting it, and I've got a crucible in it this time and see how it swirls around. Right, let's get cracking. It's whipping around the crucible okay at the minute, from what I can gather looking at it. If you can hear me over the noise, it could have done to have been tight around the crucible. We'll give it another look. No, does seem to be whipping around it pretty well. So yeah, I'm going to leave that burn for a minute or two. Still got quite a bit of work to do on it. Just got to paint it all black, but can't wait to get melted. So I think first thing's going to be aluminium. Got to make some lifting tongs. Although I've got nothing like that, and I'm not going to use a pair of pliers to lift it out, so it's dangerous. As you can see, it's on. Got it on wheels now, so it's on lockable casters, so I can wheel it in and out of the workshop, because this weighs about, probably say about 80 kilograms, 90 kilograms, so you're not lifting it anywhere. But yeah, that's how it goes. Cheers guys, catch you on the next one. Just got to add on to the end of the video. I've just it's been running about 5 minutes now. Yeah, about 5 minutes, and we've got a glowing red crucible, so it seems to be working pretty well. Don't know how well you could see that, but I wasn't going to get my phone any closer to that, because that is crazy hot. So far it's a success, so yeah, great stuff. Alright, catch you later guys.